Hello, welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, really simple but absolutely delicious. Actually one of my favourite things this is in the whole world. We're going to make a dry potato curry, or Bombay Aloo, or Bombay potatoes. Really, really delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Let's take a look at what we have here then. So potatoes, I've got kind of two decent sized potatoes there. I've peeled them, give them a little wash, and then I've parboiled them. So brought them to the boil and let them go for like 2 minutes. So a little boil on the go, but still quite firm. 1 onion, 1 tomato cut chunky, cilantro or coriander, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, fresh chili, it's up to you how much you put in. I've got quite a lot. And then the big four, always call it that guys, don't I? 1 teaspoon each of chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. And we're going to start this off with some cumin seeds. If you want, you could also start this with black mustard seeds, quite common with this dish. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so here we are then. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. Could use something different if you wanted. We're going to start off by dropping in those cumin seeds. And like I said, if you wanted some black mustard seeds, works really nicely with this dish. Just let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse it and give it a great flavour. So don't skip this part. Always very important when you're making any form of masala or curry. And next up we're going to drop in our onion, cut nice and small. So as you can see in here, we're on a fairly lively heat. My gas is quite high. I'm going to go just for 2 to 3 minutes, keep it moving. Great stuff. At this point I'm now going to drop in our potatoes, our parboiled potatoes. I'm going to add some salt. And I rarely do this, but for this dish, some black pepper. See, I don't normally put black pepper in my curries, but for this one in particular it works really well. We're going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes, stirring fairly often. Fabulous. I really, really love this dish. Right, we're going to add now our garlic ginger paste, which I would have normally added earlier, but because of the potatoes frying, if we put it in too early, it'll just burn. That's why we're going in at this later stage today on this one. I'm going to add my fresh chili. And again, add as much or as little as you like. We're now going to go in with our powders. Take one more look at those. Coriander, cumin, turmeric and chili. If you wanted, you could use a curry powder that you have already. Get those spices mixed in there. Get that beautiful turmeric colour onto our potatoes or aloo. We're now going to drop in that tomato, and like I say, just roughly chopped 1 tomato. A little bit of water. Now let that go until your potatoes are nice and tender. For me, that's only going to be about another 3 to 4 minutes. We are very, very nearly done. Look at that, it looks incredible. Okay, off goes the heat. Those potatoes are beautifully cooked now, and that's kind of dried out quite nicely. What we're going to do now is add a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. If you wanted a little bit of garam masala powder in the mix could be nice. I'm super happy like this. This is fantastic. As a side dish, but I mean for me, I'll just eat this with just some paratha or some other form of bread, like a naan or something. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Leave us a message, say hello, we'd like to hear from you. Thumbs up always help. Lots of love. See you later.